Okay, get your foot hooked. If you're road tripping in a camper van, the chances are that at some point you'll be doing some hiking, which of course requires a lot of energy. So, what's the best meal for breakfast?
Apple and cinnamon pancakes have been a favourite for us on this trip, and they're actually really fun and really easy to make.
Over the course of 5 weeks renting a camper van with Traveller's Autobahn, me and my mates realised that with all the storage we had, the fridge and the awesome kitchen, we could get pretty creative with our food. This is how you can make delicious apple cinnamon pancakes to kickstart your morning. You will need eggs, butter or margarine, milk, flour, cinnamon, brown sugar and apples, preferably green. Firstly, measure out 135 grams of flour. For accuracy, a full mug is roughly 200 grams. Add this into a pan, followed by 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and combine the dry ingredients together. Now, pour 130 milliliters of milk into the mug before adding an egg. Whisk these together with a fork before adding 3 spoons of butter. Whisk a little longer and then, pouring a little at a time, add the wet ingredients to the dry, whisking and beating it together. Aim to get rid of all the lumps. Next up, preheat your pan on a medium heat and slice your apples. You're now ready to cook. Add a knob of butter to the pan and let it melt. Take 1 slice of apple and add it to the middle before pouring a little bit of your batter on top. Let this cook for 2 minutes or until you see the top begin to bubble. Once it starts to bubble on top, that indicates that it's cooked underneath and you'll now be able to move the pancake freely around the pan. You can now flip it over and cook the other side for another 2 minutes. Sprinkle some cinnamon on top as it cooks, making sure to check the bottom every now and then. When you're ready, serve it up and add some whipped cream for that extra treat to start your day in style. Well fed and bursting with energy, you're ready for that hike.